welcome back to the Grandbaby Cakes kitchen. Come on in, welcome. Today, we are going to be making my world famous Fudgy Chewy Brownies. Clap, yes, I'm so excited. Yeah, these are incredible, y'all. I get so many 5-star ratings. Make sure you head over to grandbabycakes.com to see I'm not playing, saying that these are the absolute best brownies that people have ever made. And I tend to agree with them. So today, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make perfect chewy brownies. Let's get started. So to get started, we are going to start with some melted butter. You don't have to use any room temperature because we're technically not going to be beating any butter and sugar in this recipe. The melted butter is gonna actually add that nice chewy consistency that we want in our brownies. I'm gonna add in 2 types of sugar. I've first got granulated sugar, and then I've got a light brown sugar. The reason why I love to add brown sugar to my brownies is because that extra molasses adds so much more moistness, which is gonna give us that chewy texture as well. Okay, I've got that all mixed up. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. And this is important because you want to beat this for quite a bit of time. If you ever see that nice crackled top to a brownie, it's because you actually mix the eggs really, really well into the batter. So take your time with that. So now I'm gonna add in some oil, extra moisture, always good here. And I'm also gonna add in some vanilla. Now let's get cranking in the dry ingredients. I've got some all-purpose flour going in here. I've got some salt, and I've got some cocoa powder. Start this on slow. All right, y'all, there's our perfect brownie batter. This is just like, oh my gosh, glorious. Now, we're gonna get ready to bake this. I've got an 8x8 pan here. If you double this recipe, just get like a 9x13. I'm just gonna spray this with some nonstick spray. And this is some oil, so I'm gonna add a little powdered cocoa in there too. Put this around the pan, just so we don't have any sticking. Hey! Yeah, get it! All right, this is ready to go in the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350, and these are gonna bake for about 30 minutes. You don't wanna overbake them because we want them to be nice and chewy. Hey boos, here's our perfect stack of brownies. Fudgy, chewy, delectable, delicious, indulgent, chocolatey. Can you come up with any other adjectives? I mean, these are just wonderful. You're gonna want a million of these, okay? This is gonna become like your perfect brownie recipe. You won't go looking anywhere else once you've had these, all right? So, let's try one, shall we? Ooh. good. I don't even have no more words. Just make sure that you get the recipe over at grandbabycakes.com and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more recipes like this. Woo! It's good, y'all. See y'all next time.